Well, there's no doubt in my mind that Mattel really threw Lesney for a loop in the late 60s when they released the first Hot Wheels. Clearly, Matchbox scrambled to compete with them, creating the super fast wheels. Kind of the same thing, only different. But the horse was already out of the barn by then, and Matchbox was definitely playing catch up from that point forward. In the mid 70s, they released the Rolamatics, a series of castings where the wheels had a lug, for lack of a better term, that activated a moving part as the wheels rotated. This one, the Turbo Fury, was released in 1973 and produced until 1978. The wheels rotated the fans at the back of the casting. They are always painted red, with the number 69 being the most common. Also comes with the number 86, and there are even some with a small circle that has a scorpion in it. And they were released as a part of a companion to a themed track set. Anyway, I'm going to spruce this one up a bit, so stick around.